like come out like this here, and I'm extended, you hold the shit out of me. All right, and I'm here and I'm engaged. You ain't gonna hold me no more. I guarantee that ain't gonna. All right, so I want you to be hot. High hand, all right? High hand. And when it's tight thumbs down, and they engage you like this, right here, that's what I'm here. I'm locking that out. I lock that shit out. It's gonna be good, all right? Anytime thumbs down, easy, lock the hand out, all right? Inside tight in here, go as rough as out, okay? Oh, so I'm holding you right here, right? So this one here is what? Cross, boom. But these feet louder, I want to go high cross, right? So I got you here right now, right? Go, right there, all right? Now check this out. I'm gonna go thumbs down. I got you thumbs down because big boy's gonna hold you like this. Yeah, you're gonna do that, right? Now lock my elbow. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you can boom, boom. Don't do me like that. Because, you know what I'm saying? That's what you're gonna do there. So I'm here. I got you here. Yeah. Okay. You're going to leave. All right? I got
you. Is the way you practice, is that the way you want to play at Georgia Tech on Thursday night? The way you prepare, is that the way you want to play? It's almost like you're complacent and you're happy with mediocrity. And I don't understand that because I don't live in that land. Your coordinators don't live in that territory. We want birth from that. Your coaches, we didn't come from that. That's real talk. Let's go.
He's done a whole lot, man. This program was down, man, since he's came here.
We're going to represent today.
It's awesome, man. It's awesome what he's doing, man. And it's not about him all about just coaching, man. He's teaching these guys how to become good men, man. That's all. That's what I love about it, man.
After Prime, like, it's night and day, man.
all the way here.
Memphis 10.
Memphis 10 in this
Dirty Dime.
You already know what's up. Yeah, Uncle Neely in the house.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your phone back. Okay. Tell him what you're talking about. Tell Neely what you're talking about. And where's Neely? Neely in? You guys need to see Curtis or Neely to get some training so you understand how to articulate yourself on a national level. Last year this time, what Neely at? Neely just said that. Last year with his time.
Who's a media man, as you all know.
Mm-hmm.
He's right here.
I am right here.
On the field.
Here.
Yep, on the field, in the end zone.
Yeah.
And everyone else over media is...
That's Aura. That's Uncle
Put some respect on Unk's name.
Uncle Aura.
You know what Coach Prime says?
What?
It's about trust and relationship.
Every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Let's go, pregame show!
Here we go! Here we go!
Babu say it.
Hey, man, say, man. Yes, sir.
Morning. Great. How we doing? Great. What are we doing? Great. Woke up this morning. Amen. Running back, yo. How we doing? What? Tight end. What? Serious? Great. What? Quarterback? Great. What? Woke up. Specialist? Right. Right. D lineman. Good. Great. What?
You got another day exchange respect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I got some good banana pudding up there in my refrigerator right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. DN?
Great.
What? Linebacker?
Great.
Get to do what we love.
Another opportunity.
Left. Safety?
Great.
What?
To hang with teammates.
Corner?
Great.
What?
Another day to get better.
Slots?
Great.
What?
Compete with my brothers.
Say again?
Compete with my brothers.
You see all the leaders at each position spoke up. I just wanted to see who all spoke up. Think about that, right? Everybody that spoke up, stand up. Definitely you know Joe. You shouldn't play. Hey, fellas, I'm happy today. I'm excited today because this is the day that some of y'all get opportunity to prove yourself even farther. Coaches might not have that. They might not have put money on your books, but you are today. You're going to get that opportunity. Some of y'all that hadn't played, you're going to get the opportunity today. And some of y'all that have played that we trust, we may digress you a bit because we already know what we got. So we're going to let some of the other guys play today. We understand that? Yes, sir. And we're going to play hard, and we're going to rough, we're going to fight. Special teams, we're going to be on the same sideline. So be understanding and locked in on what we're talking. Because it could be, we score. After we score a touchdown, it could be kickoff, it could be kickoff return. Whatever. Or we get a field goal range, it could be field goal up. Okay, it's third down. Field goal got to be up. We may kick the field goal on fourth down. Extra point, all that you got to be ready at all times. And kickoff, return, punt, return, all that. Fourth down, punt. We punt the ball. You good? We got to see how you react in real situations having officials. We're not hitting receivers. We don't want to hit tight ends. Let the tight ends make it today. Let the tight ends make it today. Backs get hit. We got to see how you handle things get hit. A couple backs we trust like our family members. Some of them. Okay. So the rest of y'all gonna get ready to get in. Don't sit up there and cry because you're playing. You take advantage of the opportunity because if we can trust you in the dark, we're gonna be able to trust you in the light. With the guys that feel like we feel like gonna help us not just win the game, dominate the darn game. I'm talking about dominate the darn game. We good with that? Yes, sir. Are we good with that? Yes, sir. Coaches, let's get them out. And the time we're gonna start early, I think what is it, 8:40? 8:40. Well, we're gonna start on the field at 8:40. We're gonna cut these meetings down, but we're gonna get out there and get right to work. We good with that. Yes, anybody got anything going on that we need to know about? Anybody's not getting treated fairly at your position? Speak now. Think you should get more reps? Because I'm gonna make sure you do today. Anybody that hadn't got the number of reps they feel like they deserve. So don't get on the phone calling your mom.
That's the ball. Come on, load up and push on. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Football stuff. Hold on. There it is. Go. Keep going. Good. You got one. Wasted steps may cost you a sack. Over quarterback. Go again. Shoot your hand. Step. Shoot your hand. Step. Good. That should get in your chest right here. Should not get in your chest. Here we go. Other side. 3. Let's go. Let's wrap it through it. Let's go. Step. Here we go. Step. Good. Here we go. Shoot your hand. Step. Good. Don't let it get in your chest. There you go. Good. You want to beat him to the punch. All right? You want to beat him to the punch. He can't put his hands on you before you put yours on him. Here we go. Stay low. Stop. There's too much here. Shoot your hands. Thumbs up, knuckles out. Stop. One more. Give me one more. Stop. Come on. Good. Come on. Make sure, as I'm stepping, I want my thumbs up, my knuckles pointed out. Boom, I'm striking. Striking. Here we go. Hands inside. Here we go. Step. 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 Good. Come on. Good. Going like one by like this here, and I'm extended, you hold the shit out of me. Alright, and I'm here and I'm engaged. You ain't gonna hold me no more. I guarantee you that ain't no. Alright? So I want you to be high. High hand. Alright? High hand. And when it's tight thumbs down, and they engaging you like this, right here, that's what I'm here. I'm locking that out. I lock that shit out. It's gonna be good. Alright? Anytime I thumb down, easy, lock the hand out. Alright? Inside tight in here, I'm going across the body. Okay? Oh. So I'm holding you right here, right? So this one here is what? Cross. Cross. Boom. But it needs to be loud. I want to go high cross. Right? So I got you here right now. Right? Boom. Right there. Alright? Now check this out. I'm gonna go thumbs down. I got you thumbs down because big boy's gonna hold you like this. Right? Now lock my elbow. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can boom, boom. Don't be me like that. Because, you know what I'm saying? That's what you're gonna do there. So I'm here. I got you here. Yeah. Okay. You're going to beat. All right? I got you. Let's go. Ready. Yeah.
Is one of the premier litigators in the United States. Dedicated to furthering the values of Johnnie Cochran, Harris believes attorneys have a duty to restore voice to the silenced and give justice to the wrong.
The reason that you are a member of the Cochran firm is that you share my commitment to excellence to our clients.
Harris's success is credited to a set of core values shared by his team of attorneys, professionals, and staff.
You've proven to me that you care and you want to do the best job for all of our clients.
I'm here to make sure that they have a voice.
Named one of the top 10 trucking lawyers with a $150 million settlement, Terrence Harris continues to prove that he is committed to obtaining the best possible outcome for his clients.